Today lesson is accounting. We should learn first what is bookkeeping. Book means record and keeping means is maintaining. So bookkeeping means record keeping and record maintenance of the accounts in a systematic manner. Bookkeeping involves the recording on daily basis of a company's financial transaction. There are two types of entry in bookkeeping. One is single entry, another is double entry. So, single entry. It is incomplete, keeping books of account and in unscientific manner. Against this double entry, it is a complete scientific system. Number 2 difference. There are no credit and debit here. In double entry, for every debit there is a corresponding credit entry. For single entry, there is no principal and is standard in the system. Every businessman records the transaction in their own way. So, presentation of book will vary from business to business. In double entry, there is no giving without receiving, and there is no receiving without giving. So, every side has two, debit and credit. Now comes to the financial accounting. We just discussed the bookkeeping. Now what we discuss, what is the financial accounting? Financial accounting is a specialized branch of accounting that keeps track of companies' financial transactions using standardized guidelines. The transactions are recorded, summarized and presented in a financial report or financial statement, such as income statement or a balance sheet or a trial balance. The two types of method of financial accounting are cash and accrual. Though they are distinct, but both methods relies on the same conceptual framework of double entry accounting of record, analyze, report and transactional data at the end of a given period, such as month, quarterly or financial or fiscal year. Let us say the cash basis. Revenues are recognized as cash is received. In accrual basis, revenues are recognized as earned, services are performed. Here cash received, but here cash is not received, only services is rendered. On cash basis, expenses are recognized as cash is paid. Once you pay, that is a cash basis. In accrual basis, expenses are recognized as incurred. Incurred means कर दिए, खर्च कर दिए. There are two main books of accounts, journal and ledger. A journal is a book of prime entry or books of original entry where transactions are first recorded. That is called journal. There are two main books of account, journal and ledger. So we understand journal, original book of entry. Now Journal used to record the transactions chronologically. Chronologically means date wise. Ledger used to classify activities according to nature. So there are types of journals: purchase day book, sales day book, purchase day book, sales day book, return inwards book, return outward books, general journal. When the transactions are entered in the journal, then they are posted into individual accounts. That is known as ledger. The journal is a subsidiary book where ledger is the principal book. Journal is known as the book of original entry. Ledger is known the book of second entry. That is the layout of journal. We put the date, particulars, ledger folio, where it is posted, debit and credit. LF means ledger folio. The ledger folio column is meant to record the page number of the concerned account in the ledger. The transaction recorded in the journal will be posted in the appropriate accounts of the ledger. Journalizing is the process of analyzing the business transaction under the heads of debit and credit and recording them in the journal. When journalizing a transaction, the following steps to be followed. 1. What are the accounts affected? Name them. Number 2. What types of account they are? Identify them. Personal, real or nominal. Number 3. Apply the rules of debit and credit. Now we talk about accounts type. Personal account, real accounts, nominal accounts. And the rules: personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. These are the basic rules. In journalizing a transaction, the debit aspect is shown first with observation DR. Debit. Or buy. After the name of the account. The credit aspect is shown as the second item with the word to or credit. At the beginning, the brief description of the transaction known as narration. The brief description of the transaction is known as narration is given at the end of every entry in the journal. For example, July 2019 received cash from Mohu, rupees 500. So 1st July we received the cash from Mohu. So what we have to look for that, what are the accounts affected? Cash account is affected because we are receiving cash, and Mohu account is affected. Mohu is a personal account. and cash is a real account. Types of account. So it is the so we have to look at the types of account. Cash is a real account and Muhu is the personal account. Now apply the rule. If you receive a cash is debited. Rule number 1, personal account, Muhu account should be credited since Muhu has given benefit. So journal entry, date, particulars, ledger folio number, debit and credit, money, date is 1st July. So we write the date, particulars, cash accounts, debit, credit 2 means credit, Muhu account, rupees 500. So that is a simple entry. Now actually we would like to have some questions on Access. I will give you, and I request all of you that whatever you have problem on any subject you have, so you can request, we can look into that and guide you accordingly. So I will send you the question, objective question on Access also. So you first go through that, and thank you very much.